My first YouTube paycheck was... Alright, so in today's video, I want to share with you my first YouTube paycheck. In September 2019, I uploaded my first YouTube video. So my first YouTube video went live in September 2019. When I uploaded that video, the response was amazing. I shot that video in my iPhone in the bathroom. So the quality was not all that there, but the response was amazing. So I was like, okay. And guys, let me tell you, when I started my YouTube video, I didn't know anything about monetization, algorithm. I had no idea what all those things were about. I just went ahead and uploaded the first YouTube video. And then when I uploaded that video, because the response was good, I kept being consistent. So almost every 3 days, I'll do a video and I upload. Every 3 days, I'll do a video and I upload. So one day I was there, and guys, I'm telling you this, I want to share with you my story. So if you know that you don't plan starting a YouTube channel, this video is not for you. You can click away. If you also plan to start a channel either this year or anytime soon, then you are the one I'm making this video for. But if you don't have any plans of starting a YouTube channel, you don't have any plans of growing your YouTube channel, then this video is not for you. I was there one day and then YouTube recommended a video to me. And the first point I'll share with you is that pay attention to recommended videos from YouTube. And remember, I told you, when I started my YouTube, I just started. I didn't have any niche. I didn't have any plan that, oh, I'm starting this YouTube to do this particular content. All I was doing was story time. I was just sharing my story with people, you know. So I was there and YouTube recommended a video, and that was a Ross video. When YouTube recommended that video to me, it was about Ross. I shop at Ross a lot. Most of the things I have, I buy from Ross, especially home decor items. So when I saw that Ross video, I know somebody who works at Ross. I got information from the person. I also started making Ross videos. When I posted my first Ross video, I got 9,000 views from that video. I just started my YouTube channel. Orlando Coupon Queen posted that video. I was the second person to post. And boom, 9,000 views. Out of that 9,000 views, I got 300 of them subscribing to my channel. So right there and then, my subscriber point at that time, I had about 500 subscribers at that point. As soon as I uploaded that video, no, I had 200 subscribers before I did a Ross video, the first Ross video. When I uploaded that video, my subscriber count moved from 200 to 500 subscribers. Then I realized that I need to take this Ross thing seriously. So I did another Ross video and boom, 65,000 views. That video shot my channel from 100 views to 65,000 views within 1 day of uploading it. And out of that 65,000 views, I got over 1,000 people subscribing to my channel because of that video. So pay attention to viral videos, pay attention to the videos YouTube recommends to you. Of course, if you have a niche, if you already started your channel, let's say you have a cooking channel, then you need to be mindful of the kind of viral videos you join in. But me, when I started, I didn't have any niche, and therefore I was able to switch quickly into the shopping videos, and I realized that it was something that I really love doing. You just go to the shops, you video, you just go, you come, you upload, and then, so I was using my phone and I was going to record everything. I come home, even sometimes I was recording and editing in my car. By the time I get home, that video is already on YouTube. That was how aggressive I was. That was how zealous I took the thing. So in December 31st, my channel had moved from 500 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers because of that Ross video. So December 31st, as I was in church thanking God for 2020, I was also thanking God for a successful YouTube channel, because I started in September 26th, let's say in October, because my first video was uploaded in September 26th. That was close to October. So I would say 6 months down the line, I was able to grow my channel from 0 to 2,000 subscribers. This is something I never ever imagined that it will happen to me, Tina, on my channel, because I was having fun. Honestly, I was not even ready for that growth. So as soon as I saw that my channel had grown, I had to restructure myself. I had to make sure that I was putting good content out there so that I don't lose those 2,000 people I've got. So I continued doing shopping videos. I was going to TJ Maxx, I was going to Walmart. I started doing shopping videos because remember, I didn't have any niche. So when I realized that the response for the shopping videos was picking up, I realized that it's something that I could do, because of course, if it's bringing the people, then why not? So I started researching about monetization, and then I got to know that for you to be monetized, you don't only need 1,000 subscribers, you need 4,000 watch hours. So I went back to my analytics to check in YouTube Studio. When I checked, I had only 2,000 watch hours. I was like, man, 2,000? When am I going to get to 4,000? So I started uploading content, because you know that is the only way you can get people to watch. You have to be consistent. You have to upload consistently, even if the views are low. So I started uploading consistently, and then by the middle of January, I was there and I got a mail from YouTube that, "Hi Tina, congratulations, your channel is finally monetized." I was like, yes, let the money flow. I was like, yes, this is all that I've been waiting for. This is all that I've been waiting for. Let the money come. Then I checked my revenue, $2, $3, a penny, a cent on my videos. What is happening? We are no more in the season. You lift me up and you put me down like that. This is not fair. So all of a sudden, my views dropped. All of a sudden, I was not getting those views anymore. Then somebody reached out to me and told me that, "Tina, you have to start doing reviews." I said, okay, I'll do reviews. So my first review I did was on Maxglide. When I did that video and I uploaded, I shot that video with my phone. Remember I told you I started with my phone. So when I uploaded that video, my first view was like 5 views, then 10 views, 20 views. In a month, all I had was 100 views. I was like, whatever. I'm still going to upload. I'm still going to be consistent, because that is what all big YouTubers are saying. Be consistent, be consistent. So that's all I can do. I can only be consistent and leave the rest to God. So 2 months along the line, I was still doing my videos. I was still shooting, and then coronavirus happens. All the shops get closed, so I can't go out to the shops anymore to film. So I had to sit down and ask myself, am I going to sit down and wait for the shops to open before I start doing content? Then somebody reached out to me on Instagram and said, "Tina, why don't you start doing fashion video? We like your fashion sense. I love your fashion sense. So why don't you start doing plus size fashion? Why don't you just start inspiring people who are like you? You know, people, share your closet, share your wardrobe with people." I was like, wow, that's actually a good idea. And feedback is all you need, guys. Feedback is all you need when you start a YouTube channel. You need people to give you feedback. You need people to give you constructive criticism. You don't need this from people who know nothing about social media. You don't need criticisms from people who know nothing about YouTube, Facebook. You don't need that. If you go to those people, all they can do is to dump their insecurities on you, and they can even discourage you from starting a YouTube channel. So in as much as you need constructive criticism from people, you also don't need it from people who know nothing about social media, okay? So that is one tip for you. Make sure that when you are consulting someone, when you're asking someone for tips and advice, it's somebody who actually understands the game in YouTube, who understands the prospects, who understands how you can grow massively on this platform and make money out of it, okay? So somebody reached out to me, and I was like, and feedback is something that I work with. I've worked with feedback on this channel. Like I'm telling you, I work with feedback a lot. I go to people who can give me good advice, and I ask them, what do you think about this video? What do you think about that video? What can I do to improve? What can I do to improve? So I started doing fashion videos, and I realized that that is the niche I was looking for. That is because I was always going to bed with headache and migraine, because I knew that I was missing something on my channel. I knew that I need to find a niche. I knew that I needed to start doing something. Like even if I wander around, there's one particular thing that I will always find on my channel, but I didn't know exactly what that thing was. So finding a niche on YouTube, it can be a lot of headache. But thankfully to me, that headache was taken away by somebody who observed my talent, somebody who observed me on Instagram, because I started blogging on Instagram, and the person was like, man, you put all these pictures out there, show us how you model those clothes. And that is when I started doing fashion videos, because the shops were closed. So I started doing fashion videos, and you guys supported me when I started the fashion videos, and I love you for that. I love you all so much. So when I started doing my fashion videos, one day I decided to go and check my analytics. When I went back to check, guess who was growing? The Masterclass video I uploaded with only 100 views had shot to 1,000 views. I was like, man, how come this video is all of a sudden picking up? Then another week later, I went to check 2,000 views, 3,000 views. Today, as I speak to you, that Masterclass video is what has brought me my first YouTube paycheck, because you need thousands of views to be able to get your first $100 YouTube paycheck. Because if you don't hit $100 threshold, YouTube is not going to pay you. And I was making $3, $4, $5, $6, $30, and all of that was sitting in my Google AdSense until my Masterclass video started picking up, and I realized that I had only one advert in that video. I went and I added 2 more adverts in that video because it was doing well. And guys, that is what was able to help me. So you have to be consistent. You don't have to allow your views to discourage you, because you will never know when that video will pick up and would bring you money. Okay, so if you are being discouraged by your number of views, this video right here is telling you that don't be. Just be consistent and just keep putting that video out there, because one day when you get big, people would want to know more to it about hair. One day you blow up, and all those videos you did that is not bringing you anything will start fetching you money. So rise up and start recording that video. Rise up and start shooting that video. Don't allow your views to discourage you. At the end of the day, it is not the subscribers that bring the money, it's the views that bring the money. So to break the drum roll, all right, so the reason why I'm doing this video, what this whole video is about, my first YouTube paycheck was $115. It was $115. And guys, that Masterclass video is still bringing me money. Next month, I'm expecting a huge fat check, because that video is still doing well, it's still growing, and I know that as that video grows, I'll be making money on it every month. And that is one good fact about YouTube. You sleep and you are making money, because as you are sleeping, somebody is watching your video and you are making money out of that video. So please, if you are a small YouTuber, I started just like you, so don't start YouTube because you think that you want to make money fast. Because if you have that perception, I'm telling you, right now I shoot on a Canon M50. I have 3 soft boxes right here, and I have a ring light. All these gadgets I have around me cost over $1,000. So the question is, would the $100 be the one to pay off all these things? No. In the short term, no. But in the long run, I'm hoping and expecting that it will pay off. So if you're not backing up your videos, please go ahead and back up your videos. Pay close attention to recommended videos from YouTube, because for me, it was that Ross video that was my groundbreaking video. And right now, the Masterclass video has gained momentum and it's growing. And I'm hoping that the rest of my videos sitting there will start growing for me to start making money on it. But at the end of the day, it shouldn't be about the money. It should be about the passion. But in today's video, it's all about encouraging that small YouTuber who is almost about to give up because of views, who is almost about to give up because they don't have subscribers. I'm telling you, it takes just one video for you to rise. All right guys, so thank you all so much for watching. I believe that this video is able to inspire you, and I believe that you'll be able to rise up and stop all the excuses. You'll be able to rise up and drop all the thousands excuses why you cannot start a YouTube, because I'm telling you, people braid hair and they put it on YouTube. So if you have a skill, if you have a talent, allow people, give your phone to someone as you are braiding the hair, let them record you braiding that hair and post it on YouTube. If you are straightening somebody's hair, record it and put it on YouTube. That is how people are making money. That is how people are making money. Even if you are a mason, even if you build houses, if you are into construction, plumbing, record yourself and put it on YouTube. People are always going out there looking for DIY. How can I do this myself? How can I do this myself? And those are the videos that are gaining more views on YouTube. So I believe that even if you didn't have any idea of what YouTube content you are doing, this video is telling you that you can do something. You have a talent, you have something in you, and you can do it. You can do it. So rise up today, record that video and post it. To all my small YouTubers following me, it is well, it's going to be well. Just rise up and do it, because footstep on the sun of time cannot be achieved by sitting down. So you better rise up, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. It's your girl Tina. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.